if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Oh shit.
I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh,
Babe, I brought you.
take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like
Amigo. Wait. Hey babe, don't feel so bad. I'm here for you. I know I need you badly.
Don't you feel guilty?
Why should I feel guilty? Why?
For God's sake, she's your friend.
And she's selfish. Can both share you? I don't know why she be behaving like that. You know what? To tell you the truth, I really love you. I'm really into you. Even the sky and the moon as my witness that I love you so much. I can't let go of you. I love you. Oh,
You can't do this.
come on, Abeko. Come on. I'm here for you.
You know what? I think you should leave.
No! I'm not leaving this place. While someone hits, you want to let me go while someone hits? No, I'm not leaving. I'm sorry.
Juliet, I don't want to do this.
I'm not leaving. Please, let's continue. Can we please continue where we ended?
Just leave. Right now.
Okay. Okay, fine. I'll leave. I'll leave. Gosh. Okay, fine. I'm leaving.
Just leave.
Don't worry. You know what? Don't forget you're mine. And mine forever. Bye.
Shit.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
I love this medicine.
I know.
But do you know something? Today, you know go take her.
Sure. We don't take her today. We don't take her.
I love Jaja, what's in the world?
Maybe I can make busy. I make busy. Not be my fault. Charlie, I miss you. I miss you.
Why do you look at my face like that?
I won't kiss you.
You won't kiss you?
I don't want to kiss my friend.
Arab, no. I'm not lovers. Oh, no, Charlie. Arab,
Araba, wait. Araba. I don't work. Araba.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to...
Hey, I'm back already. Girl, I'm still confused as to which dress to pick for my birthday party. The red is not bad, but the color is just too much for me. Yay. No. Yay, I think this one is it will be sexy on me. Check this out. I trust you like it too. Hey, are you crying? Why are you crying? Hey, talk to me. Are you okay? Oh, I hate to see you crying.
Kevin the magician.
I go show you something where you never go to use.
Kevin the magician. All of myself. Magician. Forget. Make me wait for you for a long time waiting.
I'm waiting like how? Abi don't wait. You say you go wait, but I will come. What do they matter? Abi you can
Tell him no try.
You make it go.
You know say I cannot live without my girlfriend.
Oh, then where she dey?
Oh, I think she be out. I sent some guy to go and call for me.
We got that.
I think that I feel for guy.
You pass send somebody a free fire. That junkie boy no. Abi she dey host. Nana ma dey host.
I think so.
Make her go call and give you.
Kevin the magician.
Make her go call and give you.
Kevin the magician.
You know the move. Make her go call and give you.
Okay.
Hey,
the coins they are see.
you see, you there always there. You take coins, but you know they take come back.
You know say I waiting. You know say I will go pay you.
Nice man, you don't get coins, you don't get nothing.
No be
what to do?
so. Be Ghana so. Waiting.
Caliber, you bad, this like bad.
Waiting, I go pay
I
you.
no get money, I no get money.
I go pay you. Waiting. No say I go pay you. Waiting.
Massa.
I go pay you.
Like
Kevin the magician.
You see the way I dey do give you.
I owe you.
Give me, make you not forget.
Don't worry. Kevin the magician. Mr. Okay.
I hate to see you crying. I hate it. What happened? What?
Cheated on me with Juliet.
I've been cheated on you with Juliet. No, I. You mean I've been cheated on you with Juliet, our best friend? Which of the? Are you being serious right now? Are you sure about what you saw? Did you? Oh goodness! I said this thing about this Abego guy. No wonder I don't like him. Please relax.
Here.
No, you
want
can't
to leave
be
here.
here. Hey,
We've been here all these years. So why would you even want to think about living here? I don't want to see his face. Just relax, okay? Yes, we are not going to be here. Just be calm, relax, okay? Everything will be fine.
how could Abe even do this? Ha! And he'll come back to come and beg. That is one thing I hate about this Abe guy.
See, I can't stand. I want to go.
Wait, what? You're leaving her. What?
I'm coming. Wait, what are you doing here? Come inside.
You don't always see the
Thank you.
Charlie, your man said make I come.
Oh, I totally forgot. He told me he was taking me out yesterday.
For real.
Yeah, I forgot.
I didn't get any food here for you.
Mr. Valley, hang past you.
I mean,
I'm taking Gary. You can join.
Relax, Charlie. I'm on my babe, you understand?
Point of correction, I'm not your babe.
Oh, for the
Don't
way.
you ever say that to me.
For the way. Charlie, make a small water, please.
It's okay.
Let's give me a. Let's try to kill me.
You're good. Why?
It tastes sweet like you.
Really?
See, I. Hey. But you know, I love you for a long time.
I know. But this love won't fake. You're not with your friend. In fact, your best friend.
Which friend? That guy.
Really?
Just a friend, normal friend. Yeah. And you actually can find it by way that will contact me.
I'm okay.
I don't feel you something.
Okay.
Nice to contact.
Are you okay now?
Like a day heaven.
It's okay, let's sit.
Like to, hey, you are the camera, the camera. Got it?
I'm full.
For real. You are full. But you know something?
No, what
I don't feel your body small.
are you doing? Stop
Relax,
that.
relax. But like, for what perfume do you use? Like
I didn't use any
smells good.
perfume today.
Today?
Yeah.
Charlie. But you did be, I swear.
Thank you.
Can I tell you something?
Okay. You don't mean it.
I swear. For real.